This landfill here in Weber County, Utah has been closed for over 20 years. However, it still emits more than 1,000 tons of methane every year. Qnergy has partnered with several landfills in Utah, like this one, to eliminate environmental risk while introducing new revenue streams via verified carbon credits.
The Torch 4 uses Qnergy's Stirling engine to extract and destroy low-concentration methane from landfills. This mobile autonomous system eliminates over 99% of methane emissions, achieving environmental goals without the additional cost of maintenance or utility grid power.
The consistent destruction of methane with the Torch 4 helps landfill owners limit emissions while generating verified carbon credits. Carbon credits encourage businesses to engage in clean energy and sustainable practices. For example, the high-quality carbon credits generated from this project were recently sold to climate investment at a competitive rate that helps support future projects.
Weber County is proud to partner with and support local businesses like Qnergy. This project not only has substantial environmental and community benefits, but it is also a cost savings to the county because of the carbon credits generated. Because of the success of this project, the county plans to implement similar projects in West Weber to help address emission challenges and poor air quality in non-attainment areas. With innovative projects like this, Weber County is paving the way for other municipalities throughout Utah and the United States.